Hello and welcome to Programming Nuts. Today we will do MS Sociology Book 1 MSO 001, that is Sociological Theories and Concepts. Sorry for the noise. Today we will do Unit 1 Social Theory and its Context. We will continue this series. We will complete each and every chapter of this book and further we will do other books also. Social Theory. Sociologists study at a place, work, observe and analyze to give theory. Sociologist's theory is a sociologist's response to the context in which he lives and works. What creates sociological theory? Interplay between inner context and outer context creates sociological theory. Inner context, background and mindset of theorist. Thinker to become theorist through process. Strong influences and ideas that motivate are the inner context. Outer context, overall environment, social and physical environment. Social theory refers to ideas, arguments, hypotheses, through experiments and explanatory speculations about how and why human societies or element or structure of such societies form, change and develop. Sociology was first developed in West. In India, it developed in 20th century. Sociology emerged from French Revolution, Industrial Revolution, Enlightenment concept. We will discuss all three concepts in detail. French Revolution. It happened in 1789. It created need for social theory, benefited in main, but problem arose further. Problem was some thinkers said that law and order was not as it was before. Comte and Durkheim were few of them that talked about law and order was worse after revolution. Industrial revolution, it happened between 19th and 20th century. Agrarian economy, that is agriculture, leads to industrial economy, that is industrialization. Factory jobs, modernization, technological changes. These were the main factors that can be seen in industrial economy. Emerging capitalism leads to free trade, laissez-faire. Problem was that social inequalities were higher. Owner or the market forces drew high profits, workers got low wages. Formation of trade unions by workers can be seen. In France, we will discuss two countries, in France and in Germany, all three these concepts. Now first in France, philosophy of 17th century and science were factors that influenced thinkers and intellectuals. Now, subunit, prominence of socialism. It was supported by many thinkers, mainly by Karl Marx. He wanted to improve and streamline the capitalist system defect. Capitalism increases inequality, riches increases the economic capability and poor decreases the economic ability. Like creation of alienation among factory workers as they get exploited was seen. Socialism is not the answer to the ills of capitalism. Early sociologists wanted to emulate the physical and biological sciences in order to get them recognition, prestige, and create popularity for sociology. Industrial revolution. New jobs leads to urbanization, that leads to migration from rural to urban areas. Migration leads to population increase, that is overcrowding. Pollution in the cities, inadequate transport system, disparity in income, impact religious system. Plethora of cults. Plethora means multiple and cults means religious group. Plethora of cults came up. Criticisms of libation of enlightenment is called counter-enlightenment. De Bonnard, counter-enlightenment ideologues. De Bonnard was counter-enlightenment ideologues. Wanted to return to medieval time. He thought life was more than enlightenment. He was against progressive ideology. He believed that enlightenment and industrial revolution destroyed peace, harmony, law and order. De Bonnard was against anything that disturbed patriarchy and monarchy in France. Subunit 3. Individual versus collectivity. Thinker of enlightenment emphasized on person and opposer on collectivity. In broader aspect, society in long flow from past to present towards the future. Roles, relationships along the organization were important. Wholeness, heart of society were interrelated. View of institution was wholly uncritical. Conservative reaction. Conservative reactions were opposing of social change, leads to societal disorder, support hierarchical structure. They were essential for system of status remuneration. There was a caste structure, that is Brahmin as head, Kshatriya as hand, Vaishya as stomach and Shudras as leg. Comte. He was a sociologist that coined the word sociology. Comte's approach was influenced by counter-revolutionary but was different as he ruled regression and excellent theory as science was advanced during his time. Comte and Enlightenment. Subunit 4. Positive philosophy. Social physics or sociology leads to develop as a counter to social anarchy and lives in France after revolution. He was evolutionary. He didn't believe in violent type of revolutions. He gave three ascending stages that were universal, theological stage, metaphysical stage, and positivistic stage. Let's see about all these three stages what he said. The first stage was theological stage. It is fictitious in circa 1300. This was the era at that time. Supernatural power and religious icons are the most important factors imparting on society. World is believed to be a product of God in this period. It has three parts: fetishism, polytheism, monotheism. Fetishism is spirits and souls, polytheism multiple goods, monotheism single God. Metaphysical stage. It is abstract. Circa 1300 to 1800, nature explained everything about man and society. Now the third stage is scientific. 1800 circa, it influenced by science laws, scientific temperament, no God or nature in this stage. This stage dominates only when traces of other two states have been reduced. Other works of Comte are as Observation on Social Structure and Social Change, stressed an interrelatedness of all components of society against exploitation in production process, that is capitalist and worker. Believed consensus in the society is major requirement. Sociology will emerge as dominant force due to its excellence in understanding social process. Subunit 5. Durkheim of the Enlightenment. He believed enlightenment is not at all negative but emphasis on scientific method against anarchy and social chaos. His major work was to teach social order. His book Rules of Sociological Method in 1895. He stressed that sociology is a study of social facts in this book. Social facts are external and coercive of individual in society. In his study of suicide in 1897, he showed how social forces have an impact on individual and their action within society. Social cause for suicide not individual, difference in suicide rate in different categories and groups, religions, countries, etc. He initiated two social facts: material facts, that is bureaucracy or law, and second is non-material facts, that are social, institution and culture. A social fact is every way of acting, fixed or not, captured of exercising on individual and external constraint. Or again, every way of acting which is general throughout a given society while at the same time existing in its own right, independent of its individual manifestation. These are the lines quoted from your books. He studied primitive society to study religion primitive form in the elementary form of religious life in 1912 to 1965. In 1898 set up a journal that is named L'Année Sociologique, in which he promoted his theory. Division of labor in society in 1893. These are some of his works. Early society according to him was moral basis, being integrated collection consciousness. Modern advanced society were weak collective conscience, complex division labor. Social reform which will reduce imbalances. Now the Marxian ideology. Karl Marx from 1818 to 1883. He was influenced by Hegel and later contradicted him. Hegel's philosophy was dialectic and idealism. Dialectic provides view of world as well as image of world. Dialectic expressed the great importance of processes including conflict. Image or idea of world is also dynamic. Marx wanted to apply dialectic processes in the study of economics. Idealism. It stressed mind and idea and not material world. Feuerbach said Hegel overemphasized consciousness and spirit of culture. It was society that projected God and put him in a hollowed position above themselves. According to Marx, everything could be reduced to a material base, not to mind and its process. Capitalism leads to alienation, polarization and revolution. Revolution by proletariat working class was answer to this evil. Profit of capitalist was the expense of exploitation of wage earners. Thus, surplus value is the base of exploitation and root of capitalist system. He believed in period of social harmony. There will be ownership of means of production and end to exploitation of the have-not by haves. This emphasis was on exploitative, oppressive nature of capitalism. He aimed at removing aspect of capitalism. Marx's economic work have sociological theory and was questioned because of his politics. It was his political style that wanted problem, not his ideology. Subtopic 7. Weberian ideology, 1864 to 1920. According to Max Weber, Marx had developed unique causal theory, that is only economic factors. As we all know that Marx was an economist also. Weber especially concerned with effect of religious ideas on economic development. In his study of Protestantism, how ideas are capable of generating economic development, he had talked about it. In his study of Hinduism, the lower rate of economic development is due to segmentation of society into a large number of castes, jatis. Weber was concerned with formal rationality that developed. Development of bureaucratization, process of rationalization. There were three types of authority in political structure: traditional, charismatic, regional, legal. Traditional was derived from belief pattern, historically witnessed, embedded. Second was charismatic. It was based on something extraordinary. It created leadership. Third was rational legal. It was a modern concept. It was due to development, modern modality of leadership. Political system derived leader in bureaucracy from this procedure, that is president, prime minister elections. Sociology is built around factors of political economy, social reform, and social evolutionary theories. These are the three factors that around which sociology is built. Political economy is theory of capitalism discussed by Adam Smith, who spoke of an individual hand that control market forces, liberal as well as conservative. He did not expose total radicalism and violent revolution in order to find solution to problem of capitalism like Marx. Weber writing were formal, academic, easier to understand, and holistic. Subtopic 8. British sociologist. It collects field-based data, focus on a statistical presentation, a statistically oriented sociologist, close to government, no flaws in political and economic system, flaws in social system, that is behavior and attitudes were not changed, conservative stand, individuals are blamed for all ills, that is poverty, unemployment, individual problems were ignorance, crime, alcoholism, etc. Subtopic 9. Herbert Spencer's evolution. There was a theory of social evolution. It was liberal, believed that state shouldn't interfere with market. He was social Darwinist. Society would progress by itself and this evolution shouldn't be interfered. He took Darwin, survival of the fittest, where Darwin has said that there people who could adapt to social and natural environment will live and those not will meet end. He saw society as an organism. Each organ had separate function. It needed institution and diversity. Evolutionary focus on two folds. First, size increases as requirement. Second is schema of militant to individual society, military society and industrial society. Military society was the earlier society. Cooperation was secured by forces. And in industrial society, it was free and liberal. Cooperation was voluntary. Thank you. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Share if you need.